you going to be joining us on April 1st for the protest or strike or app shutdown 24-hour global thing? Are you going to join us?
No, I'm gonna make my money while you guys are standing around and doing nothing.
Hey, man, you do realize that if it wasn't for us protesting, you wouldn't be making squat, brother. The only reason the Jersey stuff is going up is because they're losing money. So why don't you join? Hey, you want to join us in the protest?
I like my passengers.
Wow. Yeah. No, you can just stay there. What about you, man? You gonna join us? Well, statistically speaking, they do work, and they do get attention. So, I'll be joining you. Thanks, man. Hey, and you know what? You're a passenger. What do you think of joining up, and not using Lyft or Uber for one day? What do you think about that? Holy shit! Wow! That passenger's gonna be pissed on April 1st. See you there.